What's up guys, we're all here at Tech, and when we talk about TVs, they are packed with innovative and groundbreaking features. Of course, the brand Samsung comes to mind. I mean, if you can remember the wall and the frame, then you know what I'm talking about exactly. Last year, the brand introduces its QLED 4K 2020 TV lineup, and we have one of them, the Samsung Q80T, with us right now. Let's go ahead and check out its features. Of course, we can hide the fact that this TV looks elegant and sleek. It is thin and can fit seamlessly into your home. It also saves a lot of space. It's got a boundless design, so watching content on this TV looks really immersive. This TV automatically adjusts its brightness and contrast depending on room lighting. Since it is a QLED TV from Samsung, it also features 4K AI upscaling. It uses Samsung's powerful quantum processor to automatically analyze the input source. Even though the video isn't 4K, it automatically converts it to 4K image resolution and sound. I mean, how cool is that? You can also utilize the tap view function on this TV. What it does is it instantly mirrors your phone screen on your TV with a gentle tap. This is definitely helpful when you're working from or when showing a video to a large group. You can set up tap view in the SmartThings app on your phone and on your TV to start transferring your phone screen. But please do make sure to tap gently so don't accidentally damage both devices, and avoid tapping your phone onto the corner of the TV or directly onto the TV screen. If you're listening to music or watching a movie on your phone, you can lightly tap on the TV again to switch the playback as well. In addition, Samsung's QLED TV also features multi-view that lets you enjoy both TV and mobile screen views simultaneously. On the gaming side of things, as this is no ordinary TV, you'd be glad to know that it features the Real Game Enhancer Plus. What it does is it provides you with an enhanced gaming experience without having to adjust anything in the settings. Interestingly, it comes with the AMD FreeSync to reduce screen tearing and stuttering, as well as Game Motion Plus for that smooth motion in high graphics quality. To make it even better, it features an object tracking sound in its dedicated up-firing and down-firing speakers that tracks every motion in the video so you can experience vividly realistic 3D sound. Another audio feature that you guys will absolutely like, especially if you live in a noisy household or environment, is the active voice amplifier, which amplifies voices in the scene you're watching so you can clearly hear the dialogue being said. You can enhance the audio even more with the Q Symphony feature that will pair your QLED TV with a Q series soundbar. It will play sound from both your soundbar and your TV speaker at the same time to provide an excellent surround sound experience. Just connect the Q series soundbar to the TV wirelessly via Bluetooth or with an HDMI or optical cable and instantly transform your room into your very own home theater. Cool features, right? If you're interested in buying one, you can get it in 4 sizes: 85-inch, 75-inch, 65-inch, and 55-inch. The 85-inch model has an SRP of 299,999 pesos, the 75-inch at 239,999 pesos, the 65-inch at 129,999 pesos, and 85,999 pesos for the 55-inch. However, if you're willing to buy one of these in full cash, these TVs will come with a reduced net cash price. With this, the 85 inches will be priced at 249,999 pesos, the 75-inch at 199,999 pesos, the 65-inch at 104,999 pesos, and the 55-inch for 69,999 pesos. The Samsung Q80T lineup is available in selected Samsung authorized dealer stores nationwide. And there you go. What do you think of the Samsung Q80T? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.